Dean T. Julie Jr. and I'm from the University of Liberia, Masters in Public Health Students Volunteer. We purposely taught the beneficiary on the issue about the mask wearing. Because firstly, the essence of the entire program is that they're going to serve as ambassadors who are going to the various communities. We're going to educate people on what are those preventive measures that need to be put in place in order to minimize or curtail the spread of COVID-19. And so today, in a nutshell, we talk on hand washing, the importance of washing our hands, what part does it have with respect to fighting COVID-19. And one of the key things we talked about in the hand washing was that hand washing is important because we want to be healthy. Hand washing is important because we want to save lives. We want to be an example. And the hand washing technique, we also talk about something called washing, W-A-S-H-I-N-G. We say you have to, the W means to wet, the A means to apply soap, the S means to scrub your palm to your palm, the H means to hands, the R means in between your fingers, the N say back and forth of the fingers, and the G say you get dry. Then we also talk on the proper way to wear the mask. And there are a few things to talk about. We say there are three categories of masks. We have the N95 respiratory mask, we have the surgical mask, and that of the locally made mask. We also talk about when the mask is warm, don't touch your mouth. Avoid touching your mouth. Let's get it together. Avoid touching your mouth. Avoid touching your eyes. Avoid touching your nose. So the M-E-N say mouth, eyes, nose. When the mouth is on, don't do it. They will also go back to their respective communities where they reside to be able to spread the message on the preventive measure. So we're going to be happy in buttressing government with respect to fighting COVID-19. I want to say a big thank you to Shalom for affording us this opportunity, especially their partner UNICEF. I think the essence of this was very good because we see that it has great impact to play on the society. They are doing extremely well on our brothers and sisters who they are trying to train and take on the bloodstreams to be able to be useful in society. So I want to say thumbs up to Shalom and UNICEF.
My name is Auntie Martin. I'm from West Point 406 and I'm one of the participants of the program. I learned so many things about washing your hands. They gave 5 steps how to wash your hands. The first thing you will wet your hands, and then the second thing is you pour soap on your hands, and then the third you rinse your hands with your live hands. I'm going back to my community to be able to help people and to tell them how to inform COVID-19.
Ambassador Titoki Samola, the PM facilitator of the West Point Resource Center. Today's program was very great, especially those that presented. First, I would take the time to appreciate the facilitator of this important event. And there's there are 3 things we learn at the program. One have to do with the introductory part when it comes to coronavirus. I think we'll learn the history of coronavirus, how the virus started, and some of the signs and symptoms of the virus, and how can you prevent the COVID-19. And another thing has to do with the issue of personal hygiene. One thing we learned that very cardinal to do with the issue of hand washing, which is one of the preventive measures when it comes to the issue of eradicating coronavirus. And another thing we learned that very cardinal that can break the transmission of this disease has to do with the issue of wearing a mask. We learned the importance of wearing a mask, what makes mask important, and how can you wear your mask? That is very cardinal. And the last has to do with how can you break the transmission when it comes to the issue of this deadly pandemic. So this thing also will help the facilitator because this training serves as a TOT. What I learned today, tomorrow, those adolescents are benefited in the program. Otherwise, translate or transfer that idea to them. But tomorrow, we all can serve as ambassador, or we all can serve as those that will put out the medicine on Liberia.
What I learned today, I never knew the washing hands, and I learned new things in washing hands that we will take it to children today. That will apply each and every day.
I'm a beneficiary from the program. Why? Washing your hand. First thing you have to wet your hand. From there, using soap on your hand. After that, using your tongue, washing your fingers, washing your palm. Then, washing your hand. After that, washcloth. No cloth, you need tissue, no tissue, you need elbow for hands to dry. Yeah, I'm holding my community. How to wash your hands.
My dear Bishop, and one of the participants of today's workshop. In today's workshop, there are a lot of things that we learned there today. And one thing that I learned today was we taught how to be able to wash our hands, to be able to prevent ourselves from the coronavirus. So we also advise in that. So when I go back home today, I'm going to be able to spread this information with my family, my community dwellers, that we should follow those measures that will be able to be safe from this COVID-19.
What can I kill you? Ebola can I kill you? Corona, Mona kill you. Mona kill you.